So in this video, we're going to go over 5 hidden features that every iPhone user should know about. And if you stick around to the end of the video, we have a secret 6th feature that's pretty important. So I guess it's 6 hidden features. Let the download begin. So if you're finding the channel for the first time, on this channel we do support videos that teach you not only how to use the devices you currently own, but also how to troubleshoot some of the biggest issues those devices may have. So if you enjoy videos like that, support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed the video, drop us a like, and don't forget to share your thoughts, comments, and any questions you have in the comment section below this video. We'd be more than happy to answer them. So let's get started with the 5+1 hidden features of your iPhone. So one of the first hidden features we're going to take a look at is the new location-based Do Not Disturb feature. This is actually a really cool feature that was added to the iPhone. Let's see how to activate it. All right, so now one of the first things I want to show you is the new awareness of the Do Not Disturb mode. So you can actually kind of set your Do Not Disturb mode to have a little bit of location awareness with the new features. And the way you access that is by swiping down, going into your action center, and then you have your Do Not Disturb mode there. So normally you would just kind of press it and it would turn on, but now if you hard press it, you actually get a couple of options. You can see you can set it for just an hour, you can set it until tomorrow, but the really cool one now is you can set it based on your location. So what this will actually do is put your phone on the Do Not Disturb mode until you physically take your phone out of the location you're currently in. It automatically then turns off and it's back to normal. This is great for someone going into a meeting. Maybe you're in a movie theater and you don't want your phone disturbing the other people around you. This really quick Do Not Disturb mode based on location will definitely come in handy. Pro tip. So the next thing we're going to take a look at is something that I've always wanted them to add ever since they took away Touch ID, rest in peace, and instituted Face ID onto the iPhones, adding an additional face, an alternate face to unlocking your iPhone. I think this is something that's definitely was needed. And this is how you activate it. Now, like I said, this is a feature I've been waiting for since they introduced Face ID. It only came with the ability to add one face. Now you can actually set up 2 faces, which is awesome. You just go into your settings, and in your settings, you're looking for your Face ID, enter your password. Now, once you're in your Face ID settings, the setting you're looking for is set up alternate appearance. When you press that, you can see it actually gives you the ability to add another Face ID to unlock your phone. So this is really cool if you want to add Face ID for someone else who uses your phone regularly, or if you just want to add an alternate version of your face into the system as well. Say you are now wearing glasses, say you're growing a beard. It really does help the accuracy of Face ID, but also it's there if you want to add an additional person to your iPhone. So this feature is more of a precision-based feature. We do a lot of typing on our devices. So by using this particular feature, you can actually kind of get into the nitty-gritty of the text that you're using. If you're crafting a long text message, or if you're crafting a long text document on your phone and you need to get back into some places to make some adjustments, this feature is going to help you do that. So let's say you have some text type on screen, as you can see here, and that's actually pretty good text, if you know what I'm saying. Now, if you hard press on the space bar, it actually goes blank, and this actually gives you the ability to use the cursor on screen as if it was almost like a trackpad. So you can kind of move to be a little bit more precise in the things that you're typing out on screen, and that actually can help come in handy, again, if you want to delete or backspace a specific letter in what you're typing. So this is going to be a combination of a couple of different features, and it's all going to be centered around the new 3D touch abilities. The iPhone now has some really cool 3D touch shortcuts that you can kind of take advantage of. Using some of these shortcuts, you can kind of circumvent going deeper into the phone to do things you do on a daily basis. So the next thing we're going to go over is just all the different 3D touch features that have been added to the Action Center shortcuts. I showed you the Do Not Disturb one already, but there is some for the camera as well. If you hard press on the camera, you can take a selfie, record a video, scan a QRL code, or take a portrait. It's really this kind of quick menus that you can go into to make different changes. Now, if you hard press on your music, You have some additional choices. You can even hard press on your calculator. So just kind of go through the 3D Touch options in your Action Center. There's a lot of different shortcuts in here that you can take advantage of. That way you don't have to kind of go hunting around in menus to find what you're looking for. And since phones are getting bigger and bigger and hands are not getting bigger and bigger, if you have smaller hands, this feature is actually going to help you out a lot when you're texting or using your phone with one hand. It's a really cool pro tip. Let's see. Okay, so this shortcut is actually something that will help you be a little bit more accessible when you're typing on your iPhone, and that is by adjusting the size of the actual keyboard itself. So you're going to tap on this little globe icon here. It may be an emoji icon on your keyboard depending on which keyboard you're using. It gives you an option of left or right, and if you hit that, then it kind of makes the keyboard slink towards the area that you want. So if you type with this hand, you can just make the keyboard go a little bit more over, and that gives you full access to all your keys with one hand. If you type with your other hand, you can do the same on this side, and then you can just press that to return it back to full size if you're done typing. So this is actually a really cool tip that can help you be a little bit more accessible and be able to use a bigger phone with one hand if you have smaller hands. And as promised, this is our bonus tip, and this tip is all about security. If you watch any of our videos on this channel about keeping your device secure, one of the major things we always stress is always having your device up to date, and this particular feature, activating it, does just that. So the next feature we're going to show you is going to be a feature that is stressed for security. As you know, on this channel, we always stress that you keep your devices as updated as possible. So this feature is going to be enabling the automatic updates on your iPhone, which is off by default. By enabling this feature, you'll make sure that you're getting iOS updates in a timely manner that can help make sure your device is as secure as possible. So it's going to be found in your settings, of course. And once in your settings, you're going to go to General, and then Software Updates, Automatic Updates, and you're going to make sure that's ticked on. So when that is turned on, any new iOS updates that are released will automatically be updated to your phone, and your phone will be updated and your data will be protected. Make sure to turn that on. So those are our 5+1 secret hidden features that you have in your iPhone. If you take advantage of those features, you'll be using your iPhone like a pro. If you enjoyed the video, guys, support the channel by subscribing to it. And also don't forget to drop us a like and share your thoughts, comments, and any questions you have in the comment section below this video. We'd be more than happy to answer them. We'd be more than happy to help. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Share the video out. You never know who's having some issues with their iPhones or who doesn't know about these pro tips. This video may help them get to know their iPhone a little bit better. Until next time, peace.